Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yesterday we were learning about the rāb-ul fi'l al-mudari al-mansub. When a fi'l mudari is mansub, we were learning the i'rab. i'rabul fi'l al-mudari al-mansub. And these are the nawasibul mudari. And learn and listen. They are the, we call it particle of mansub or nawasibul mudari. And we continue yesterday lesson. Taf'ali. An taf'ali fi'lun mudariun. This is fi'lun mudariun mansubun bihasfi nun. We have deleted the nun. We have deleted the nun. So this is from the nun comes, nun goes group. Nun comes and nun goes. So here nun goes. And when nun goes, we delete the nun, we hasaf the nun, it become mansub. Wal yaw fi mahli rafin, and this ya is marfu. This ya is marfu. Fi mahli rafin is at the place of the rafa, marfu. And this ya is file. This ya is file. Then taf'ala fi'l al-mudari mansubun bi hasfi nuni. This was an taf'alani. This was an taf'alani. And we have deleted the nun. So this is mansub bi hasfi nun. We have deleted the nun. That's why it is mansub. Wal alfu fi mahli raf'in fa'ilun. And this alif is marfu. This alif is in nominative case. And it is file. This alif is file. Oh, hold on a minute. This alif is file here. What we call this alif? Any one of you will tell me what is this alif? Any one of you will tell me what is this alif? This is aliful musanna. This is aliful musanna, alif of dual. This is alif of dual. And this is file here. And next is taf'alna. Taf'alna fi'lun mudari'un mabniun ala sukun. This sukun. This sukun is mabni. So this is fi'lun mudari'un mabniun ala sukuni fi mahli nasbi. Sorry, this is mansub because of this sukun. So it remain unchanged. This sukun is at the place of nasab. Taf'alna is fi'l mudari mabni. And it is because of the sukun, it is at the place of rafa. Oh, sorry, at the place of nasab. One noon fi mahali rafin filun. And noon is at the place of the rafa. And noon is the file subject here. Then af'ala. An af'ala. It was af'alu. When it is marfu, there is dhamma on the lam. And when it is mansub, it has a fatha on the lam. An af'ala. فعل مضارع منصوب بالفتحات. This is فعل مضارع منصوب with the fatah. Fatah on the lam. And here والفاعل ضمير مستتر, and the file is hidden pronoun تقديره أنا, and that is أنا. Then نفعل, it is نفعل, and when we use أن نفعل فعل مضارع منصوب بالفتحة. This is also فعل مضارع منصوب with fatah. والفاعل ضمير مستتر, and the file, the subject is a hidden pronoun, and تقديره نحن. This was about the mansoob. Now we will learn about the majzoom. إعراب الفعل المضارع المجزوم. جوازم المضارع. جوازم المضارع, or we can say particle of jazm. La, la nahya, lam, lamma, and lamul amr. When any of these particles we use with the verb in the fi'l mudari, it become majzoom. La yaf'al. La yaf'al, this is fi'l nahya. This is fi'l nahya. Fi'l mudari'un, fi'l mudari, majzoom bisukun. Because of this sukun, it is majzoom. This was yaf'alu. This is from the group of, when it is marfu, it has a dhamma. And when it is majzoom, then it have a sukun. So fi'l mudari'un majzoomun bisukuni, fi'l mudari majzoom with the sukun. Wal fa'ilu damirun mustatirun, and its file subject is hidden pronoun taqdiru huwa. Huwa is its file, and huwa is hidden. Then la yaf'ala. When it is marfu, it is yaf'alani. So we have deleted the noon here. So this is fail mudare majzoom bihasfi nooni. This is majzoom because of deleting the noon. And this is from the group noon comes and noon goes. Noon comes and noon goes. Wal alfu fi mahli rafin, and this alif is at the place of rafa. And this alif is file. This alif is aliful musanna, alif of dual. This is alif of dual, aliful musanna. And this aliful musanna is file here. Yaf'aluna, this was yaf'aluna. When it is marfu, yaf'aluna. And when we enter the ya, it become la yaf'alu. La yaf'alu, lam yaf'alu, lamma yaf'alu. Okay. Failul mudari majzoomun bihasfi nooni. It is fail mudari majzoom by deleting the noon. And this is from the noon comes, noon goes group. Wal waw. This waw is at the place of rafa, and this waw is file here. This waw is file here. And this waw is we use for the muzakkar jamma. This waw is we use for the masculine plural. Muzakkar jamma. Then la taf'al. This is also from the group of yaf'alu. So here it is taf'alu. It is taf'alun. Lam has dhamma. And when we use la, it becomes taf'al. So failul mudari majzoomun bis sukuni. Fail mudari majzoom with the sukun. So here we we deleted the dhamma and we give it sukun. Wal filu, and its file damir mustatirun. Its file is a hidden pronoun. Taqdiruhu hiya. Taqdiruhu hiya. Hiya is its file. Here is its file and it is hidden. Then next is taf'ala. Taf'ala, this was taf'alani. This was taf'alani. And when it is majzoom, we deleted the noon. So this is majzoom with the deleting noon. So this is from the group of noon comes, noon goes. Wal alfu fi mahli rafin fa'ilun. And this alif is file. It is marfu and it is file. And this is aliful musanna. This alif is aliful musanna. Tafala, tafalani. Okay. So these are all the same. Taf'alani. And this is taf'alu with the noon. It has a noon. So when we use the la nahiya, then it become taf'alu. This is fail mudare majzoom bihasfi noon. This is also from the noon comes and noon goes group. So when it is majzoom, we delete the noon. It becomes taf'alu. Waw is at the place of rafa. This waw is at the place of rafa. And this waw is file. And this waw is we use for the muzakkar jama. This waw we use for the muzakkar jama. Next is taf'ali. Fail mudare majzoom bihasfi nooni. This was taf'alina. This was taf'alina, and when we use la, it become la taf'ali. So we have deleted the noon. Majzoom bihasfi noon. Fail mudari'un. Failun mudari'un majzoomun bihasfi nooni. And ya fi mahli rafin filin. And this ya is file here. We can say ya tanis. This ya we can say we use for the feminine. Taf'alina. And this ya is file here. And you have learned the file is always in nominative case. The file is always in the nominative case, marfu. File cannot be majroor, file cannot be mansoob. File will be always marfu. So this ya is marfu. Then taf'alani, this was taf'alani, and we have deleted the noon. So this is failun mudariun majzoomun bihasfin nooni. Noon comes and noon goes group. Wal alfu fi mahli rafin fa'ilin. And this alif is marfu, and this alif is file here. This alif is file here, subject here. Then taf'alna. This is mabni. Failun mudariun mabniun ala sukuni. Fail mudari mabni on the sukun. Fi mahli jazm. Okay. So this is this sukun. This sukun is failun mudariun mabniun ala sukun. Then this noon is rafa, and this noon is at the place of rafa. Then this noon is file. This noon is file. Then af'alu. It is af'alu. It become af'ala. Failul mudari majzoomun bis sukuni. Fail mudari majzoom with the sukun. And file damirun mustatirun taqdiruhu ana. And ana is the file which is hidden in the af'al. Then naf'al. Failul mudariun majzoom. Fail mudari majzoom with the sukun. So the naf'alu, this the dhamma we change into this sukun. Wal filu damirun mustatirun, and the file is damir mustatirun hidden pronoun taqdiru nahnu. And It is nahnu. So this was our lesson about the fail fail mudare. Any of you have any question about the fail mudare? Now we learn the lesson from the book. So this is lesson number 10 of Durusul Lughatul Arabiya. The present tense of Arabic verb. The Arabic verbs has only 3 forms. They are first the past tense, which is we call failun madiyun. First is failun madiyun. We have learned about the fail madi. The present future tense, which is called al mudare. Present and the future, we call it al mudare. And third is the imperative, which is called amr. Fail amr. In Arabic, these are only three kinds of the sentences. We already have learned about the fail madi. In this lesson, we will learn about the mudare. And about the fail amr, we will learn in the lesson number 14. About the fail amr, we will learn in the lesson number 14. So 10, 11, 12, 13, we will learn about the fail mudare. Okay. In mudare, one of these letters, these are the 4 letters, is prefixed to the verb. These 4 letters we prefixed with the verb, and we call it harful mudare. We have learned he wrote kataba, he wrote yaktabu, and we use this ya is harful mudare and become yaktabu. Note yaktubu means he writes. He writes, he is writing, he will write. This all we have learned about the fail mudare. We have already learned everything. Now let us see difference between the form of madi and the mudare. Kataba madi, yaktubu is mudare. Kataba is madi and yaktubu is mudare. So we have learned that the most Arabic verbs have 3 letters or 3 radicals. In the madi, the first radical has fatha, and in the mudare, it has sukun. The first radical of fail madi, in the fail mudare, it has sukun. The third radical has fatha in the fail mudare and a dhamma in the mudare. Fail madi and dhamma in the mudare. So we move to our topic. In this lesson, we will learn kataba yaktubu. First is what we will call it. What is the name of this group? Any one of you will tell me what is the name of this group? What is the meaning of A and U? What is the meaning of A and U group?
Fatah and Dhamma group.
Fatha and Dhamma group. Yes, we call it Fatha and Dhamma group. In fail madi, the first radical has Fatha and it change in, okay. In this group, the second radical has Fatha, second radical has Fatha in madi and Dhamma in fail mudare. So in this group, second radical change Fatha to Dhamma. Kataba yaktubu. So second radical is changing to dhamma. He writes. Katala, second radical has fatha, and yaktulu, second radical is changing to dhamma. Yaktulu, he kills. Sajada, fatha, and it changed into yasujudu, into dhamma. So second radical is changing. And first radical has sukoon in the fi'l mudari. And second group is fatha kasra group. In fi'l madi, second radical has fatha. Daraba, jalasa. And this fatha change into the kasra. It becomes yajlisu. Yajlisu, he sits. Daraba yadribu, he beats. So it is changing into the kasra. Wasala yaghsilu. So fatha changing into the kasra. And third group is fatha group. In fi'l madi, it is fatha, and in fi'l mudari, it is also fatha. We call it fatha tani. Zahaba, yazhabu. So it remain fatha. He goes. Fataha, yaftahu. Still remain the same. Qara'a, yaqra'u. And the fourth group is kasra fatha group. Fourth group is kasra fatha group. Kasra change into fatha. Fahima. Second radical has kasra. And it will change into fatha. Yafhamu. Fahima, he understood. Yafhamu, he understands. He is understanding, he will understand. Shariba, kasra. Yashrabu, fatha. So kasra changing into fatha. Hafiza, he memorized. Yahfazu. So kasra changing into fatha. He memorized. These are the four groups we will learn in this lesson. Okay. Then what he said? There is no rule to determine the group of the verb. There is no rule to determine the group of the verb. The students should learn the group of each new verb. He and she learn. So all good dictionaries mention this. So when we want to learn the verbs, we need to concern with the dictionary. There is no rule how we can apply with the verb. Then about the counting from 21 to 30. 21 to 30. The two parts of the number are joined by waw. The two parts of the number we will join with the waw. Wahidun wa ishruna taliban. Wahidun wa ishruna taliban. Wahidun is first part. Ishruna is the second part. And we are joining them with the waw. Wahidun wa ishruna taliban, 21 students. So the first part of these numbers has tanween. Wahidun, salasatun, arbaatun, tisatun. So first part of the adad has tanween. The word of isnani, of course, has no tanween. Isnani, of course, has no tanween. So other all numbers, they have the tanween. First part of the adad. Then B is Wahidun and Isnani are masculine. Wahidun and Isnani are masculine for masculine madud. Masculine for the masculine madud. while but the numbers from 3 to 9 are feminine. Isnani and wahidun. We will use it masculine with the masculine madud. What is the madud? And 3 to 9. Yes, what is the madud?
Madhud is here, Rajul.
Yes, rajulan. What is the madud?
Those are to be counted, maybe kalam and anything.
The noun is being counted called madud. The thing is being counted called madud. So wahidun ishruna. Wahidun ishruna rajulan. 21. Isnani wa ishruna rajulan. Rajulan is muzakkar. Rajulan is muzakkar. And for this 21 and wahid and isnan, we will use masculine for the masculine madud. First part, wahidun is masculine. So wahidun muzakkar for the muzakkar, isnani muzakkar for the muzakkar. And from 3 to 9, from 23, rajulun is muzakkar and first part will be masculine. Oh, sorry, feminine. Muannas. Salasatun wa ishruna rajulan. 23 males, 23 men. So first part will be feminine for the masculine madud, and first part will be masculine for the feminine madud. So we can say for muzakkar, the first part will be muannas, and for muannas madud, first part will be muzakkar. Rajulan, muzakkar, and arbatun is muannas. Khamsatun, rajulan is muzakkar, arbatun is muannas. Sittat, rajulun is muzakkar and sittatun is muannas. Rajulan is muzakkar and tisatun is muannas. So from 3 to 9 we use the feminine counting for the muzakkar, for the masculine. The madud is singular and mansub. We have learned about the madud. Madud is singular and mansub. This is the counting rule from 21 to 30. And next is illa. At-tasiyatu illa rub'an. Illa mean except. Note the noun after illa is mansub. It is noun. It is not, we are not using with the verb. So it is not, we can say, it is not a particle of jazm in fi'l mudari. This is the noun after it. We are using illa with the noun, with the ism. Note that the noun after illa is mansub. Note the following example. As-saatul wahidatu illa ashra daqaika. 10 minutes to 1. 10 minutes to 1. As-saatul wahidatu illa ashra daqaika. 10 minutes to 1. Oh, okay. As-saatu saniyatu illa khamsa daqaika. 5 minutes to 2. As-saatul khamisatu illa daqiqatan wahidatan. Daqiqatan wahidatan mean 1 minute. Khamsa ashara daqaika mean 10 minutes. Khamsa daqaika mean 5 minutes. And because of this illa, it is khamsu daqaika, ashru daqaika. Daqiqatun wahidatun. This is daqiqatun wahidatun. And because of this illa, it is becoming mansoob here. Illa ashra, illa khamsa, illa daqiqatan wahidatan. So because of the illa, the noun after the illa is getting mansoob here. About the la Allah, we have learned that two meaning of la Allah in the lesson 1. These are I hope and I am afraid. When it is giving the meaning of hope, when it give the meaning of hope, we call it at-tarjih. At-tarjih. And when it give the meaning of afraid, then we call al-ishfaq. These are two nouns, two names you can remember. For hope, we call it at-tarjih, and for afraid, for fear, we call it al-ishfaq. La'allahu yarji'ul yawma muta'akhiran. I am afraid that today you will come late. So I am afraid. I am afraid, and for afraid we use al-ishfaq. I am afraid you will come back late today. I am afraid you will come back today. So we are using it to show our afraid, our fear. And this is la Allah for ishfaq. And the next is between. Baina. What is baina?
Baina is the zarf, sir.
Baina is a zarf. It is adverb. Baina is adverb. And noun follow the baina will be majroor because it will be mudaf ilay. The noun after the baina will be majroor because it will be mudaf ilay. So baina is adverb and adverb is mudaf. Jalasa Hamidun baina Bilalin. Because of the baina, Bilalin and Faisalin is majroor. So baina Bilalin wa Faisalin. Bilal and Faisal, they both are majroor. They both are mudaf ilay here. Jalasa Hamid sat between Bilal and Faisal. Bilal and Faisal, they are majroor because they are the mudaf ilay. Baina should be repeated with pronouns. We can repeat them baina with the nouns. Haza baiti wa baina ka. This is between you and me. Oh, sorry, baini, not baiti. Okay, wait a minute. Haza baini, it is between me wa bainaka and between you. Between you. So we can use a baina between the with the pronouns also. Baini between me wa bainaka between you. This was our lesson for today. And next week, inshallah, we will learn the lesson from the book. Any of you have any question about the lesson? And by tomorrow, our class will start 15 minutes more late. So it will be about 9:30 Malaysia time, 8:30 Jakarta time, and it will be 6:30 Pakistan time and 7 p.m. Indian time. So tomorrow, our class will start a bit late, 15 minutes more late. إلى اللقاء مع السلامة. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام
Friends,
ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاك الله خيرا.
آمين وإياك.